Now take this question. When the origin is shifted to 3, 4, by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. So first let us write down given equation. Given equation is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. Now they are asking us to find transformed equation. Transformed equation means they are asking us to find new equation. So what do we write? Let capital X comma capital Y be the new coordinates. Be the new coordinates of the point small x comma y. Now what else is given to us? Origin is shifted to 3 comma 4. So point h comma k is 3 comma 4. Now by translation of axis, so whenever they ask transformed equation, we take old coordinates formula. So that is x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. So x is equal to x plus 3, y is equal to y plus 4. Now we substitute these values in the equation. So what is the transformed equation? The transformed equation of equation number 1 is, now in the place of x we put x plus 3. So 2 into x plus 3 whole square plus 4 into x plus 3 into y plus 4 plus 5 into y plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. So 2 into, now you expand this a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4 into, now you multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So you get xy plus 4x plus 3y plus 12 plus 5 into y square plus 16 plus 8y is equal to 0. So now you multiply inside 2x square plus 18 plus 12x plus 4 into, now let us multiply this 4 also inside. So we will get 4xy plus 16x plus 12y plus 48 plus 5y square plus 16 5s are 80 plus 5 8s are 40y is equal to 0. Now you see we simplified further. So 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square. Now 12x plus 16x is 28x. Then 12y plus 40y is 52y. Now 18 plus 48 plus 80, that is 146. Now we take 2 common, so we get, no, we cannot take 2 common because you have 5y square over here. So this is the final answer. Now take this question. This is very, very, very important. This question appeared many times in boards. So when the origin is shifted to the point 2, 3, the transformed equation of a curve is, this is the equation. We need to find out the original equation. In the last two problems, original equation was given, we were finding transformed equation. And now transformed equation is given, we are finding original equation. Okay, so first let us write down given equation. Because it is transformed equation, I will convert small x and small y to capital X and capital Y. So x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is 0. Now, because we need to find out original equation, let us say small x comma y be the original coordinates. Original coordinates of the point capital X comma y. Now what is the given point? Given point h comma k is 2 comma 3. Now by translation of axis we need to take new coordinates formula. So what is new coordinates? Capital X is x minus h. Capital Y is y minus k. So capital X is x minus 2. Capital Y is y minus 3. Now the original equation of equation number 1 is, now substitute these values, x minus 2 whole square plus 3 into x minus 2 into y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into x minus 2 minus 7 into y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now open the brackets. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3 into, now you multiply these two brackets, xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 minus 2 into y square plus 9 minus 6y plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y plus 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now I am erasing the question. So how to further simplify? Now you see x square plus 4 minus 4x. Now I multiply this 3 inside. So we get plus 3xy minus 9x minus 6y plus 18. Now I multiply minus 2 inside. So minus 2y square minus 18 plus 12y plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y plus 21 minus 11 is 10 is equal to 0. Now you see there is only one x square term. Then we write xy term plus 3xy. Then minus 2y square. Now we have to simplify. So if we take this minus 4x minus 9x is minus 13x. Minus 13x plus 17x is plus 4x. Now you take the y terms. Minus 6y minus 7y is minus 13y. Minus 13y plus 12y is minus y. Now we take the constants. 4 plus 18 is, now here plus 18 minus 18 get cancelled. 4 plus 10 minus 34 is minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the original equation. Now from here, the problems are based on rotation of axis. Okay, so the question is, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4, find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. So first let us write down the given equation. Given equation is 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. So whenever they ask us to find transformed equation, how do we write? Let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Now what is given to us? Angle of rotation. Angle of rotation theta is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degrees. So we need to find transformed equation. So we take old coordinates formula and we take the formula which contain theta, that is rotation of axis. So small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta and small y is capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. This is the formula for rotation of axis. Now in the place of theta we put 45. So x cos 45 minus y sine 45. Cos 45 and sine 45 both are 1 by root 2 minus y into 1 by root 2. And over here, y is equal to x sine 45 plus y cos 45. So that is x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. So small x is equal to x minus y by root 2 and small y is equal to x plus y by root 2. Now we will substitute it over here. So therefore the transformed equation of equation number 1 is, now we will substitute the values of small x and small y which we got. So 3 into x minus y by root 2 whole square plus 10 into x minus y by root 2 into x plus y by root 2 plus 3 into x plus y by root 2 whole square. That is equal to 9. So now let us expand this a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And denominator root 2 whole square is 2. Plus 10 into, now numerator we can multiply a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. By root 2 into root 2 is 2. Plus 3 into again x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2 is equal to 9. Now we multiply the numerators. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 6xy plus 10x square minus 10y square plus 3x square plus 3y square plus 6xy. Now whole denominator is 2. If that 2 goes to the other side, it becomes into 2. So 9 into 2 will become 18. Now plus 6xy minus 6xy get cancelled. 3x square plus 10x square is 13x square. 13x square plus 3x square is 16x square. Now 3y square plus 3y square is 6y square. 6y square minus 10y square is minus 4y square. That is equal to 18. So if I take 2 common, we get 8x square minus 2y square is equal to 9. This is the final answer. Now, take the next question. This is also based on rotation of axis. So, whenever you have theta, it means it is based on rotation of axis. So, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. So, first we write the given equation. So given equation is x square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. This is equation number 1. Now we need to find the transformed equation. So we write let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Now given that angle of rotation theta is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees. Then we need to take small xy formula. So same formula we will use. X is x cos theta minus y sin theta and y is x sin theta plus y cos theta. So that is x cos 30 minus y sin 30 and y is x sin 30 plus y cos 30. Now cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here also sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we get small x value as root 3x minus y by 2 and small y value is x plus root 3y by 2. We need to substitute these values now. So the transformed equation of equation number 1 is, now we substitute the values of x and y. So root 3x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 3x minus y by 2 into x plus root 3 y by 2 minus x plus root 3 y by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. Now we open the brackets a minus b whole square. So 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3xy by 4 plus 2 root 3 into, now you multiply these two brackets. This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. Root 3x into x is root 3x square plus 3xy minus xy minus root 3y square by 4 minus x square plus 3y square plus 2 root 3xy by 4 is equal to 2a square. Now you add the numerators. 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3xy plus, if I multiply these two, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 twos are 6. So it is 6x square plus 6 root 3. Now 3xy minus xy is 2xy. 2xy into 2 root 3 is 4 root 3. It is 4 root 3 xy minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 twos are 6. 6y square minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3xy. Now denominator you have 4. If I shift it to the right hand side, it will become 2a square into 4. That is 8a square. Now you see minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will become minus 4 root 3 and plus 4 root 3 will get cancelled. So 3x square plus 6x square is 9x square. 9x square minus x square is 8x square. Then coming to y square terms, minus 6y square minus 3y square is minus 9y square plus y square is minus 8y square is equal to 8a square. If I take 8 common, we get x square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the final answer. Now take the next question. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is given. We need to find out the original equation of the curve. Okay. So first let us write down given equation. Given equation is 17x square minus 6xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now angle of rotation is given as theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now because they are asking original equation, we will take, let small x comma y be the original coordinates of capital X comma y. So whenever they are asking original equation, we take new coordinates formula. So we need to take capital X and capital Y formula. So capital X is small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. And capital Y is minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now you substitute theta as 45 degrees. So x cos 45 plus y sin 45 minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45. We know that cos 45 and sin 45 both are equal to 1 by root 2. So x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. Over here minus x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. So we get capital X is x plus y by root 2. Capital Y is minus x plus y by root 2. So now we need to do the substitution over here. So original equation of equation number 1 is 17 into x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 16 into x plus y by root 2 into minus x plus y by root 2 plus 17 into minus x plus y by root 2 whole square is equal to 225. So 17 into, now open the brackets, x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2 minus 16 into, this is a plus b into a minus b, but x is negative. So we take a as y and b as x. So it will become y square minus x square. It will not become x square minus y square. By root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 17 into, again one is positive, one is negative. So we take a minus b whole square formula. So that is x square plus y square minus 2xy by 2 is equal to 225. Now multiply the numerators, this into this, this into this, this into this. Then this into this, this into this. Then this into this, this into this, this into this. So 17x square plus 17y square plus 34xy minus 16y square plus 16x square plus 17x square plus 17y square minus 34xy. Denominator 2 goes there and it becomes 450. 225 into 2 is 450. Now 34xy minus 34xy cancel. Now you see 17x square plus 17x square is 34x square. 34x square plus 16x square is 50x square. Now 17y square plus 17y square is 34y square. 34y square minus 16y square is plus 18y square is equal to 450. Now we take 2 common. So we get 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. This is the required equation. Take this question, when the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So first you write down the given equation. Given equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is equation number 1. They are asking us transformed equation. So what do we write? Let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Now given that angle of rotation is alpha. So we take old coordinates formula, that is small x and small y formula. So small x is capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. Now in the place of theta we write alpha. So x cos alpha minus y sin alpha. This is x, and y is x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. So the transformed equation is transformed equation of equation number 1 is, now in the question, in the place of x and y, we substitute these values. So x cos theta minus, x cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha plus, in the place of y we substitute y value, x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha is equal to p. Now multiply this into this into this into this into this. So x cos square alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus x sin square alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha is equal to p. Positive, negative get cancelled over here. So the remaining part I am writing it over here. So you get x cos square alpha plus x sin square alpha is equal to p. Now you take x common. cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to P. Now from trigonometry we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So the final equation is x is equal to P.